Hi there, I'm Amiko and welcome to INFINITIDY. I run a tiny little blog called INFINITIDY where I share about my homemaking adventure. I just started this YouTube channel and my first video happens to be a tour of my home, which is this one that you're currently watching right now. So thank you for your time and feel free to subscribe too. Alright, let's now move on to the home tour. So welcome to my home. My home is a 4-room HDB flat. For those who are not familiar with housing in Singapore, the typical 4-room HDB flat consists of 3 bedrooms and 1 living room with 2 bathrooms. As for now, I only live with my husband. We left 1 bedroom empty to prepare for our future baby and converted the other bedroom into an office or study room. This apartment is very special to me and my husband. We fell in love with the place at first sight. We are happy that it turned out to be everything we had been dreaming for. Our idea when we first planned the renovation was to create a home that's fuss-free, easy to clean, simple, and yet stylish. We are very much inspired by Japanese home concept, and we love using the combination of wood with a love of natural colors such as white, gray, and beige. So here's how each room in our home looks like. This is not really a room, but this space holds an important role for me. I really like the idea of Japanese entryway where they separate the shoes and no shoes area. Since I don't like to put anything including shoe rack in the corridor outside, having a proper entryway is a priority for me. It helps define the clean and not so clean zone in my home. After I get home from outside, I can just take off my shoes and putting it back inside the shoe cabinet without soiling the clean zone. Living room is located behind the entrance. We built a lot of storage area here, including 3 panels floor-to-ceiling cabinets and 3 panels lift-up storage bins by the window. We use this space to store our board games, so it's always ready when we need it. Under the television, there's another storage cabinet that hides away all the tangled cables. Since I stay at home, I spend most of the time here. This is where I get to be creative. We hacked down the walls that are facing the living room and the kitchen to make the space look big. The room is furnished with mostly IKEA products. The long desk is built by placing 2 Lindemann tabletop on top of 3 Alex unit drawers. Our dining room is simple and neat with jokmok dining set from IKEA. I love the pine color that goes well with the rest of the interior of our apartment. A simple dining table makes easier for me to adjust the style whenever I want just by playing with the table runner or placemat colors. I personally don't like eating in the dark room, so a simple and modern pendant lamp with oak wood accent is placed just right above the dining area to create the mood and brighten up our dinner time. The open kitchen concept is surely making our apartment look bigger. I try to keep the countertop clean and neat at all times so kitchen cabinets are maximized to hold up as much storage as possible. Limited space in our kitchen doesn't stop us from buying a large 2-door refrigerator because again, it's the amount of storage capacity that we are after. I love cooking and baking in my spare time, so our refrigerator is never empty. Although the service yard in HDB is typically small, somehow we managed to add a small hand washing area beside our washing machine. As we get a front-load washing machine, we built a tabletop on top of washing machine as a place where I can put laundry detergent and other washing supplies. In front of the washing area, we built another tabletop for ironing and folding clothes area. We rarely use our common bathroom since we have one inside our master bedroom. However, I still like to keep this bathroom nice and presentable as to not to scare our guests just in case they need to go to the bathroom when visiting our apartment. I always dreamed of having a walk-in wardrobe since I was little, and I'm happy that we managed to add one in our master bedroom. The walk-in wardrobe area doubles as makeup station too. Our queen-size bed is placed behind the cabinet of the wardrobe. I like to keep our bedroom simple with neutral bedsheet color. It's all about getting a quality sleep after all. A full-width cabinet mirror is a great way to make the bathroom look big, as well as make efficient use of our wall space. Since we can keep all of our toiletries inside the cabinet, our sink is clean and free of clutter. Underneath the sink, there's another cabinet where we store cleaning products and extra toiletries. So that's it. Our little nest is not perfect, but we are perfectly happy living inside and making memories. I hope you enjoy and please make yourself at home.